Hey guys, this is from Modern Techies. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install Spiderman 3 game app for free. So without wasting much time, let's get started. First of all, go to Play Store. First install PPSSPP emulator app. So I have already installed this app. Go ahead and install this app. Next, install zip file extractor, that is 7zip zipper. So this is it. I have already installed this app. Go ahead, install this one also. So after installing these two apps, now what we have to do is just go to some browser and in the Google click like this, Spiderman 3 PPSSPP highly compressed. Click search. You can see bunch of websites here. So go to this website. So you can see it is about 40 MB. So down here you can see this is the file you have to download, and before that you can see the password here. Just copy before and download this file. Here click download. You can see the download has been started. I have already downloaded this file guys, so I'm not downloading it again. So go to the place where you have downloaded. So here it is. Just extract. So give some path. I'm giving this path where you want to extract the file. Click OK and paste the password by marking OK. You can see the extraction process has been started. That's it. Click close. Close everything. Now go to the app PPSP. Let us see how it looks. This is how it looks. So what we have to do is go to the folder where you have downloaded. We have kept the file here, Spiderman. Just click this icon. That's it. The game will be started soon. You are getting the Spiderman 3 game in Android. Click the start button. So here it is guys, finally we got the game.